Welcome to today's webinar about Inflector, the see-through radiant barrier window insulator. This is the innovative solution for optimizing energy savings and the sustainable value of windows. We have a problem, Houston. Windows are an essential design element for any building because they give us natural light and help productivity, but they come with a lot of problems. And those problems are costing America and the world a lot of money and creating a lot of energy issues. Windows lose a lot of energy. Windows lose 15 to 20 times the unwanted energy loss when you compare them to the walls they replace. Any building can be substantially improved by insulating the windows. So let's look at Windows' adverse effects. Windows increase building energy costs. They increase use of portable heaters and fans. They increase the HVAC cost. They increased capital costs related to HVAC. They have harmful UV rays. They lessen the HVAC useful life, and they cause unnecessary occupant thermal comfort. Now we come with Inflector. Inflector makes any window much more energy efficient than a brand new replacement window. That's because we resist radiant heat transfer, cut solar heat, recapture solar energy on cold but sunny days. We get a natural flow of light with reduced glare, and we get a great view while repelling UV rays. Every window is a thermal hole in a building envelope. If we could insulate that hole, we'd dramatically change the performance. By insulating any building with Inflector, you'll have a 72% reduction in radiant heat. You'll have a 65% reduction in solar heat. You can have a 51% increase in solar energy absorption on cold but sunny days. You can have a UV ray blockage of 88% while reducing glare by 71%. You can get those lead and VOMA points for energy efficiency and still get a great visible light transmittance. Great view with a lot less heat. So what we can do is we can reduce energy cost, preserve the flow of natural light, have a great view of the outside, increase human thermal comfort, reduce some cost, extend the HVAC life, decrease annual maintenance costs for HVAC, or decrease the HVAC capital cost, all while dramatically reducing CO2 emissions. What we've got is the new frontier for green buildings. This is something that can be the most profound change in carbon emission reduction available, and I'll show you why in just a minute. So again, what we're trying to do is reduce the 7 negative effects caused by windows, preserve the natural flow of light, get that great view for productivity, innovate the building, all while staying with the same original design look. This is a graph that shows the strategic options for climate change. These are all the things that have been done to reduce carbon emissions. Everything on the right has a long time permanent cost. On the left, these items can pay for themselves and then create additional energy savings to create more energy saving projects or to produce renewable energy. So of all the things that have been done for carbon emissions, the one thing that had absolute best performance was insulation improvements. Also way up the list was air conditioning, things that you do for the air conditioning. Well, Inflector does both of those things because Inflector insulates the least insulated part of the building envelope, the glazing. So this is something you can do that's great for the building, productivity, and reduces carbon emissions. So what we can get is unequal energy demand reduction, while we can get improved comfort, productivity, and tremendous carbon emission reductions, all with a payback of less than 6 years. Because of that payback, Inflector has created the zero investment efficiency upgrade. If you will finance Inflector radiant barrier installations on your building for at least 6 years financing, then you can create a zero investment efficiency upgrade. What you've done is basically the monthly savings on energy is greater than the monthly cost of the Inflector upgrade. So in a matter of a few years, that project is paid for. Again, just like you saw on the graph, now we've got energy savings to do another energy savings project. Then we'll do several energy savings projects. Then we'll use the generated annual savings to create a funding program for renewable energy. So your energy savings will refund your renewable energy. These are results that impress. Here's some comments. Inflector window insulators provide a practical option to reduce facility operation costs while providing greater occupation comfort. That's from Tom Warren, the facility manager of Harris County Facilities and Property Management. The performance of this product has exceeded my expectation. Inflector insulator is a component of a hospital-wide energy management program. That's from the manager of purchasing at the Riverdale Hospital. These are some of the type of installations, just commercial, governmental, and institutional installations. The more the glazing, the better the reward. Thank you very much for your time.